Hello and welcome to day 58 of Bedtime Welsh. I've only got enough for 60. I'm going to have to write some more pretty soon. So all we're going to do today is put a couple of things together that you've learnt already around books and giving and stuff like that. So can you think of how to say the book you gave? The book you gave.
Y llyfr wnest ti roi.
Y llyfr wnest ti roi. You heard Bain say roid there, which is a slangy way of saying it, and that's fine if you want to do that too. Y llyfr wnest ti roi. Okay, how about the book you gave me?
Y llyfr wnest ti roi I mi.
Y llyfr wnest ti roi I mi. Da iawn. Y llyfr wnest ti roi I mi. Okay, how about the interesting book you gave me?
Y llyfr diddorol wnest ti roi I mi.
Y llyfr diddorol wnest ti roi I mi. Da iawn, da iawn. If you're getting any of this, you're doing superbly. Okay, how about to read the book?
Darllen y llyfr.
Darllen y llyfr. And last one for today, to read the book you gave me. To give the book, to give the book, to give the book, to read the book you gave to me.
I darllen y llyfr wnest ti roi I mi.
Darllen y llyfr wnest ti roi I mi. You heard Bain say I ddarllen, which you could say sometimes, but we'll just sit with darllen. Darllen y llyfr wnest ti roi I mi. So there are some strange little structures in there that are a bit different to English. So don't worry if you're making mistakes. That's how your brain is going to figure the patterns out. So however you did with those, well done. Keeping on doing them is the secret, and we'll have some more for you tomorrow. Okay? Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!